It's the best test of how well your brain is working. It can save your life if you place your fingers like this and move your little finger a few times. If you have no difficulty moving it, it means your brain is in perfect health. Do this for 20 seconds, twice a day. If you can't do the test now, record this video and try later. I'm sure you didn't know about this technique. Did you know that if you put a little toothpaste on your feet before bed, add a little Vicks Vapo Rub, and then wear a sock, you'll fight fungus, relieve irritated feet, soothe pain, and moisturize your feet? Don't forget to practice this technique. Try it now. Feeling tired, anxious, or have a headache? Take a spoonful of pure honey, add a pinch of salt, and drink it before bed. This combats insomnia, anxiety, and fatigue during the day, as well as relieving a headache or premenstrual syndrome. This practice has been used by my family for generations. Now, if you have a sore throat, try this. It's amazing! Just add honey to a spoon and a pinch of turmeric powder, and that's it. It eliminates sore throats, nasal congestion, and coughs. Have you heard of this homemade syrup? Take a look at this. If you have eye pain or blurred vision, press these 2 points on each hand. Apply pressure and massage for 3 minutes. Take care of yourself the natural way. This is digitopuncture, a Chinese therapy. Tell me if you've heard of digitopuncture. Did you know that this point on your foot has healing powers? Yes, it does. This point is reflected in the knee, foot, and hip areas. Press lightly on this point. Do this every day. You'll feel immediate relief. If you're busy right now, record this video and practice it later. Your health will thank you. Try these 2 exercises. They relieve shoulder and finger pain and improve your mental health. Do these powerful exercises for 5 minutes every day. Do it like this, like this. Just do these 2 movements with both hands. And say goodbye to those stabbing pains all over your body. Massage your wrists and get incredible benefits. Do this powerful exercise for 3 minutes every day. It will relieve headaches, chest pain, and palpitations. It relieves sore throats, secretions, and mucus. It also helps relieve pain in shoulders, arms, and wrists, while eliminating diarrhea, vomiting, and belching. Practice this exercise every day, and you'll thank me. Which of these exercises did you not know about and found most useful? May God be with you all, and see you tomorrow.